This cockatoo loves to dance when this man beatboxes. On a comfy spot to sleep on the sheep. This is called a blue dragon, which is a type of sea slug. They're very small, at only about an inch long, but they can deliver a very painful and dangerous sting if they're threatened. A YouTuber celebrated 1 million subscribers by smashing water balloons in his face. Poor guy couldn't get out of the bowl at the skateboard park. This is a heads-up display that many commercial airplane pilots get to use while flying. Every day before class, this teacher will draw a different dinosaur for her students. This is called frazzle ice. When the water retreats, it instantly turns from slushy water back into snow.
Snow, but again, it's soft, it's unconsolidated, you would plunge right into it.
This mama cat was worried about her baby falling off. I think this duckling might be a little broken.
What in the world, man? See?
There's still plenty of gold that can be found in small creeks and rivers of the United States, but their locations are often kept a secret. An employee at McDonald's decided to jump in the kitchen sink and have a bath.
Dude, look at that shoe.
Look at that shoe, boy.
Go, stay there. I gotta get this. My phone's tweaking. Oh my.
No offense, but please don't come near me.
Whoa!
Tesla is known for their electric cars, but now you can get a Tesla roof if you wanted to. It's a solar-powered roof that is designed to look like a regular, ordinary roof. So now solar power can be used to directly charge the Tesla vehicle. Someone called the police because the party was too loud.